Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Today I'm making the Thanksgiving stuffing, easy way, crispy from the outside and moist from the inside. Very simple recipe, delicious and nutritious. Follow me step by step and you will have a very delicious, moist Thanksgiving stuffing. I used here two kind of bread, the cornbread, a regular kind of bread. You can use any bread you prefer, any kind, any mixture, any combination you prefer. You see, my stuffing is moist from the inside and it has that crisp from the outside. First of all, I take a big pot like that, and I'm using here butter. I use here 8 tablespoons of butter, but I will add another two ones. I add another two ones. In the total, I have 10 tablespoons of butter, salted butter, and here 3 stalks of celery, chopped celery. If your family like it pieces like that, if not, you cut it really fine. And I have here 2 small onions. I chop them too, white onions, or you can use yellow onions. I use here a little bit of salt. Then I will leave the celery and onions getting very soft. For the bread here, I use 6 cups of herb seasoned cubes stuffing, this kind, and I used 2 packs of cornbread. Is almost 4 cups. In total, I have here 10 cups of stuffing. You can use any combination, any kind of bread you like. For the herbs, I add here fresh herbs, oregano, sage, thyme, and rosemary. And here we mix the seasoning, the herbs that we add, the oregano, thyme, rosemary, and sage, with the two kind of cubed stuffing that we have. For these herbs, you add whatever you like and you prefer, and the quantity is up to your taste. I add here some more sage powder, and also I had some fresh sage. If you prefer only the dry one, you can add the dry herbs. If not, you can add the fresh ones. It's up to you and whatever you prefer, you and your family. For 10 cups of stuffing, I'm adding here 4 cups of broth. This broth, I boiled turkey. You can boil turkey wings. You make it your own broth, and then mix it with some vegetable stock. Add some salt and black pepper. That's my seasoning. And I start, pouring this slowly, not all of it in the same time, to see when your bread absorb the liquid. Then you stop. If it's moist, you don't pour all the liquid in one time, because some kind of breads are absorb more liquid than other ones. You start pouring a little bit and mixing. For me, this 4 cups was enough. And here my celery and onions is soft. Now I add it to the stuffing. You can add it before that you add the broth to the bread cubes. Now I mix. Don't over mix it, like mix it, but don't over mix it or make it mushy, like from the side. You see how I'm doing it? Be gentle when you mix it. In the same time, I preheat the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and also you prepare an oven pan. I have the Pyrex here. You butter it or you grease it. Then I pour all my stuffing here. I said, like when you mix it, don't mash it or over mix it. Like that, it stay like that, fluffy, nice, and all the cubes you can see them. I will spread it in the cooking pan, the Pyrex that I have. Then I will put it in the oven. I will cover it in the beginning for the first 40 minutes. I cover it. Then when I want to brown it, I take the foil and leave it brown. That's up to you if you like you like to brown it or not. But the first 40 minutes, I will cover it like that. It stay moist, cook and stay moist. You see. And this is my stuffing after I took it out the oven. After 40 minutes, I took the foil, I brown it. It's here because it was nighttime. It looks darker than what it is, but it's crispy from the outside. It's very crispy and nice, but the inside of it is brown. It didn't stick in the Pyrex at all. When you grease your pan, it doesn't stick. It was so delicious, this stuffing. Like, be sure to season your broth, be having a lot of flavor. I have the recipe of the broth in my channel if you want to go and check it out, because all the flavor come from this broth. It has to be very seasoned, like that your stuffing be delicious. Also the butter, the celery, and the onions. That was the stuffing recipe. Moist from the inside, crispy and brown from the outside, delicious and nutritious. That was the recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And see you next time in a new video, a new recipe, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Enjoy!